Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block phone numbers on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the phone app. In the Recents tab, find the phone number that you want to block. Next to the phone number you wish to block, you will see a small letter I inside a circle. Tap on this I button to access more options for that specific caller. Here, you can see the block caller option at the very bottom. Simply tap on it. Finally, tap on the block contact option and confirm your decision. And this is how you can block phone numbers on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.